Alright, another restoration job completed. This was asphalt driveway. We cut it out, made it concrete, but put that drain in there. And the garage actually pitches about an inch. So they had a puddle here, a problem, so we had to put that drain in, which drops into this drop box and goes out across the sidewalk and out to the ditch. It was quite the plumbing we had to do. And while we were making the turn here, we hooked up the downspout to it also. So they have a nice structural slab with wire mesh. We just coated it with our magic coating because this was a separate pour than that, and we wanted the colors to blend. So it's curing right now. I'm actually walking on it. I did it about an hour ago. We got some thicker spots you can see they're still curing here. This sidewalk had numerous cracks. If you watch some of our earlier videos, we rebar stitched all the cracks. There's a lot of them. Every like 8 feet was a crack in this sidewalk. This particular stoop was down about 1.5 to 2 inches by the door. It actually leaned in. All the water was going in the garage, so we raised it up by adding a structural special mix and feathering it to nothing, and raised certain areas. That's why this area is wet here. We raised it up and it's slowly curing to make the water run. We had to change the pitch in certain areas, but it turned out real nice. Like I said, if you watch previous videos of what this used to look like, it was terrible. It was cracks all into here like a spider web. I actually took chunks out and replaced, and I have like 10-foot rebars and some of this stuff stitching it. But like I said, it's a little blotchy because it's curing. It'll all be one color probably within the hour. It'll all look like more consistent like this. But that's it. Just wanted to show you the final results of our concrete restoration job. Another one under our belt. Thanks for watching.